How to make reposts public on TikTok. So first is to launch the TikTok application. Below you will see the profile icon. Tap on that icon and then tap the three horizontal lines found on the upper right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Then under Account, go to Privacy. Scroll down until you're in the Interactions section. So under Interactions, you should see the Repost option. And when you open that setting, just like Story, you will then be presented with three options. First is Everyone. Second is Followers that you follow back. Third is Only Me. So as you can see, I don't have the Repost option. And if you're having the same problem, what you can do is you'll go back, scroll down until you find this section, Support and About. Now go to Report a Problem, scroll down again, and tap on this button, Submit a Report. Now in the space provided, enter the details of your issue. So to further support this, you can add pictures or videos of the issue. Now once done, hit the Submit button and wait for the TikTok support team to respond. And so that is how you make reposts public on TikTok. Thank you and have a great day.